Welcome back to my channel. This is Zoe here, and in today's video we'll be creating a custom bio link webpage. If you don't know, a bio link refers to the clickable URL that you can add to your profile section, and some social media platforms only allows you to use one link, which can be very limiting at times. But don't worry, we're going to help you with creating a bio link site that has all the relevant links that you need in one place. You can use it to take your followers to your website or your other social media sites, wherever you want. It's up to you. Okay, so let's head over to Canva. If you haven't already signed up, use the link below and sign up for Canva Pro, or you can sign up for the free account as well. Alright, so as you can see, I'm already here and I'm on the home page. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna go over to the search bar and you're gonna type in bio link website. Okay, you're gonna click that and it's going to bring you to a page that has several templates. Okay, you can create it from scratch if you like, but me personally, I like to save time and use templates, so I'm gonna select one and do the necessary adjustments. Oh, also you might notice that some of them says paid, but don't worry about that. All you need to do is just delete the elements or pictures in the design that are paid. Okay, so I'm going to go with this and I'm also going to show you. I'm going to delete this element and also this picture. Alright, so next I'm going to add my own pictures to this template. You can do that by going to upload and upload your media. You can upload media, images, videos, or audio. I'm gonna just use the Elite logo right here, adjust the size and move it around. You can change the wording. I'm just gonna remove this and I'm gonna move the position just a little bit up. Okay, alright, so I'm gonna just search for a random photo to replace the background. Alright, perfect. I'm also gonna change the colors. I want this to be orange. Okay, so what I'm doing here is just changing the colors so that it matches my brand. Okay, I'm gonna raise the opacity so that it's not as light. Okay, so now we need to decide what links that we want to add to our bio web page. Some common ones might be your website, your link to your Twitter account, your Facebook or your store, even your YouTube. So I'm gonna have my website. I'm gonna put Twitter. YouTube and I'm going to delete this one. I'm going to just do 3. Okay, you can also add elements if you would like. It's more visually appealing for some, or you can go with simple. So for instance, if you wanted to place a YouTube logo, alright, so just go over to elements, type in what you're searching for, and just adjust the size. So YouTube, Twitter, and I'm gonna search for a web icon. Okay, that one should be fine as well. So like I said, you can add whatever you like. You can choose to add elements, or you can go without. Alright, so now how are you going to get these things to be clickable? All you need to do is click the text or the element, go here where you see this link icon, you click it and you just copy and apply. Okay, so I'm gonna go over to the website, copy the URL, then click the relevant text and press apply. Okay, you can also do this for your element as well. So go here, enter the link, copy and paste it, and press apply. You can also get rid of the line by clicking on the text and just removing the underline. Alright, so okay, so I'm going to do the same thing for Elite's YouTube channel. Go over to it, copy the link, click the text, add the link, apply. Click the icon, link, paste, apply. Alright, so you get the gist. You just do that for all of your links. You can even do it for this element at the back here, the orange one, just in case someone clicks it. Okay, I'm also going to add it to my logo. And this text here, there's a link to the website. Alright, you can even, if you don't want to go ahead and manually look for different fonts, you can go to your styles tab, and they have these pre-made font combinations that you can just select, as well as with the colors. You see that it changed there? Okay, so I'm gonna go with that. This is if you want. This just makes things easier. You can also add another page if you like. Alright, so on this page I'm just gonna add for example, I'm gonna copy this element, this text, and change the color. And I'm gonna give this featured video. You don't have to do this, you could just finish right there with just one page. But I'm gonna go and add an example. I'm going to add YouTube, right? So to get this, you can just go to more, and you click YouTube. You can even add maps if you like. So if you want to add the location of your business, you can do that as well. So I'm going to add a video from YouTube. So I'm gonna look for a video that Elite has done before. Alright, there we go. And can adjust the size. Alright, so now that that's done, you can go ahead and publish your website. So we're going to give it a name, and I'm going to name this Elite Bio Link. Alright, and I'm going to publish this as scrolling. It's going to click open website. Oh, nice, very nice. See if it plays. Okay, very nice. So what else you can do, you can go over to Bitly, and you can shorten your Canva URL. So you're going to go to your up here, copy your link, shorten it, paste it, and shorten it, and then use copy, head over to your Instagram or wherever you want to paste this site, and submit. Then all you need to do is check to see if all the links are working, and that's it. So thanks for watching. If you found this video useful, please give it a like and subscribe for more content like this.